Hi, I'm Adam from Bowker BMW, and I want you to introduce today the Business Partnership Programme offered by Alphabet. The Business Partnership Programme is designed at our business owners and company car drivers. There's two fantastic packages, including business contract hire and business contract purchase. Both these packages have some fantastic advantages for the business owner, including 50% of claiming of the VAT back for contract hire, and also 100% write down for full electric vehicles on business contract purchase. With our compelling rates on business contract hire and business contract purchase, and with the introduction of the new BMW i5, there's never been a better time to consider the Business Partnership Programme for your business. Bowker Corporate Team will offer tailored support and guidance, and will be a one point of contact for all your needs. The Business Partnership Programme is offered to a wide range of companies, including small and large partnerships, private limited companies, and sole traders. For more information on the full advantages, please contact your local Bowker Centre for more information.